Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Government and Private Jobs for Diploma Mechanical Engineers 14 January 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. This week in this video, we are included 7 government jobs, 4 private jobs and 3 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs. In government job, first job is Junior Technical Assistant Mechanical at Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited, Kolkata. Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited, HCSL is a wholly owned subsidiary of Cochin Shipyard Limited. HCSL invites online application from experienced professional for filling up of the Junior Technical Assistant Mechanical at Kolkata. Cochin Shipyard Limited shall coordinate all recruitment related activities on behalf of HCSL. However, appointment to all posts in HCSL shall be done by the competent authority of HCSL. Experience required for the post is minimum 4 years post qualification experience or training in shipbuilding or ship repair company or marine related company or engineering company. Age is 35 years. Pay scale will be 23,500 to 77,000 plus industry DA plus HRA and allowance as admissible. Application fee Rs 400 for general and no fees for SC/ST candidates. Selection procedure. The method of selection shall be include phase 1 consisting of objective type online test and phase 2 consisting of descriptive or practical test. How to apply? Applicants should go through the user manual published in our website as shown on screen before filling the online application. The application consists of 2 phases, one-time registration and submission of application against the post applicable. Last date for application is 2nd February 2021. Next is Yantrik Mechanical at Indian Coast Guard. Indian Coast Guard is an armed force search and rescue and maritime law enforcement agency that protects India's maritime interests and enforces its maritime law. Indian Coast Guard was formally established by the Coast Guard Act 1978. Indian Coast Guard operates under the Ministry of Defence. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Salary offered are basic pay of 29,200 at pay level 5 plus Yantrik pay at 6,200 plus DA plus other allowances. Age limit is 18 to 22 years. Number of posts are 31. Application fee, no fee for SC/ST candidates and all others have 250. Selection procedure. There are 4-stage selection procedure. Stage 1, objective type written examination or computer based online with a diploma level mechanical engineering syllabus. Stage 2, candidates passing the stage 1 will go to the stage 2. In stage 2, there will be physical fitness test, document verification, initial medical examination, etc. Stage 3, final medicals at INS Chilka as per the vacancies available. Stage 4, verification of all original documents. How to apply? Candidates meeting the prescribed eligibility criteria can apply through the website as shown on screen on or before 19 January 2021. Next is Junior Engineer Mechanical at Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited. Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Mahametro, a joint venture company with equal participation from Government of India and Government of Maharashtra, is implementing Nagpur Metro Rail Project and Pune Metro Rail Project in the state of Maharashtra. Mahametro is inviting application from Indian National for the Operation and Maintenance Department of Pune Metro Rail Projects on regular basis. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Scale of pay offered are 33,000 to 1 lakh. Age limit is 28 years. Application fees 400 for general category and 150 for SC/ST women candidates. Knowledge of Marathi language in read, speak and write is compulsory. Selection procedure. The selection methodology will comprise of 3-stage process: online test, personal interview followed by medical examination. Details of medical standards are also available in Mahametro's website as shown on screen under career link. How to apply? Candidates are required to apply through online through Mahametro's website as shown on screen. The online registration shall remain active up to 21st January 2021 only. Next is some last dates of job already informed in previous videos. Engineering assistant for at Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Pipeline Division's last date is 15th January 2021. Shift draftsman trainee mechanical at Cochin Shipyard Limited's last date is 15th January 2021. Scientific assistant see-through stipendary trainee category 1 at BARC, last date is 31st January 2021. Motor vehicle inspector at Meghalaya Public Service Commission's last date is 2nd February 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first job is draftsman mechanical at Intello Labs Private Limited. Intello Labs is a fast-growing startup working on exciting new technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. Started by IIT Bombay alumni, Intello Labs are now a strong team of technology, data science and management professionals. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 years. Salary of 50,000 to 3 lakh per annum. Job description: making 2D drawing in AutoCAD Inventor, preparation of product-wise BOQ, update drawings as per revisions made, managing the design database, validating quality inspection reports. Role is draftsman mechanical, industry type is brewery, distillery, production manufacturing is function area. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send the resume to the mail ID as shown on screen. Next is trainee engineer at FineCure Pharmaceutical Limited. FineCure Pharmaceutical Limited and its subsidiaries are leading manufacturers and marketers of pharmaceutical formulations and nutraceuticals in several therapeutic segments in dosage forms of tablets, capsule, oral liquids, dry syrup, powders, injections and sachets. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 years. Job location will be Ahmedabad. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Job description: assist to monitor and control HVAC system through EMS control station. Mandatory to check daily basis of all data report of SCADA and its alarms. Assist in carrying out routine checks for operation of all control instruments and equipment operation and updating same to engineering manager. Brief knowledge of VFD, temperature control, transmitter, PLC, HMI, calibration and sensor. Role is trainee engineer. Industry type is pharma or biotech. Function area is production. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can send their resume to the website as shown on screen. Next is DME machine operator fresher at Velocity Consulting Engineers Private Limited. Velocity Private Limited is the leading geotech highway consultant company in India. Velocity has started in the year of 2010 by the team of professionals with strong determination of providing excellent engineering service in the field of geotech and highway with more than 25 years of experience. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Job location is Chennai. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job description: will be working in production department, possess good knowledge in hydraulics, manage records of work progress and improve productivity, coordinate and field manager and monitor the progress of work, etc. Role is DME machine operator. Industry type is construction engineering. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to the hr@velocity.com. Next is Quality Management Nuclear Business Project Pune at KSB Limited. KSB Limited is a German multinational company engaged in manufacture and sales of centrifugal pumps and industrial valves. KSB Limited is a market leader for both worldwide as well as in India. KSB Limited founded in the year of 1960 is headquartered in Pune in the state of Maharashtra. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 to 5 years. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Roles and responsibilities: inspection of brought out and subcontracted items, review and approve the supplier documents such as test certificates, inspection report, responsibility for inspection and sample and development parts, provide support to customer for inspection, testing, witness activity, etc. Role is quality management nuclear business project Pune. Industry type industrial products, heavy machinery. Is a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can send the resume through website of KSB as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is Diploma Apprentice Trainee at Gas Turbine Research Establishment DRDO. GTRE is a laboratory of defense research and development organization located in Bangalore. Its primary function is to research and development of aero gas turbine for military aircraft. As a spin-off effect, GTRE has been developing marine gas turbine also. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Number of posts is 15, stipend offered are 8,000. Selection procedure. Selection shall be based on the merit as per the marks secured in the diploma course. Details of shortlisted candidates will be published in DRDO website. Candidates are advised to check regularly on the website for updates. How to apply? Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in the NAS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Then applications are to be submitted online through the following website or link on or before 29 January 2021. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous video. Technician Diploma Apprentice at Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangaluru's last date is 19th January 2021. Technician Apprentice at Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited's last date is 25th January 2021. I will provide last video's link on my description also. That's all for this week's employment news video. Every Thursday we will upload new employment news for diploma mechanicals. For the next government and private jobs for diploma mechanical video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.